So I was just browsing web and I found an interesting browser named Helium. I have heard about it quite a while. Helium.computer. Awesome. I am just as new to this as you are. Internet without interruptions. Awesome. Best privacy and unbiased ad blocking by default. I don't know, whenever I hear a word about ad blocking, I always think of Brave. Currently I'm using as, I don't know why, but I pretty much like it. Bunch of people might not agree with me, but it is what it is. Handy features like native banks. I don't know what that means. And split view. That's kind of nice. Like in as you can go split view. Where more tools? Maybe no. How can I be a split view on edge? Like split duplicate? No. Add to group? Now where is the split tab? I don't know. Let me leave it. No adware. No bloat. Great. No noise. Awesome. Made for people. By people. Fully open source. Great. Alpha. Oh, okay. Alpha version for Windows 10 plus 64-bit. We'll download it later. Let's see what's more in this. Is it Chromium based? Yeah, I think so. Best privacy by default. Not as a hidden option. Oh, great. Like in as far as I know, it's not as privacy based as, like, I have turned on the security thing, but maybe it just came on this balance. But yeah, I'm happy with this privacy, but I really want this 6-strip thing. Okay. Helium blocks ads. Awesome. Trackers, phishing websites, and other nonsense by default. Just like Brave, I think so. Yeah. Thanks to community filters and uBlock origin. Oh my god. Whoever don't know about this extension, this is damn good. Amazing. I've been using this for almost like 5 to 7 years. This is blocked in Manifest v3, but there is a uBlock origin Lite extension there. But whichever Chromium is using Manifest v2, it's pretty much there. And it also comes with Brave too. Yeah. And this Helium is having this. That's great. Helium blocks all third-party cookies. Like that privacy based extension. If you know about it, maybe you have heard about it. This, and there is extension called Don't Steal My Cookie. I guess. Oh, that's I don't care about these. Yep, that's much extension. Great. Does it best to prevent fingerprinting. Great. No extra steps are needed, and there are no biased exceptions, unlike other browsers. The browser itself does not have any ads, trackers, or analytics. Beautiful. Helium also doesn't make any of the web requests without your consent. It makes 0 web requests on first launch. Oh, that's nice. Not enough? Increase privacy even further with ungoogled Chromium flags. Oh, Chrome and Google in the same sentence. Okay. Extra uBlock origin filters. You are finally at the steering wheel of your privacy on the internet. Beautiful. Not in a toy car, but in a real race car. What an analogy. What a line. We will always stand by our promise. If you have heard about the promise from Firefox about privacy and thing.
Always protected. The best privacy. Okay. We believe in the internet for the people. Okay. What happened here? Oh, they took out a section. What happened? What section did they take out? Por qué, Firefox? What'd you take out? Question. Does Firefox sell your personal data? Answer. Nope. Never have. Never will. And we protect you from many advertisers who do. Firefox products are designed to protect your privacy. That's a promise. Delete it.
Let it be. But they are saying they will stand by our promise. I don't know, let's say, of the best privacy and will never prioritize profit over people. That's good. Unlike big corporations. Alright. Respectful by design. Helium does not annoy you with anything and never will. Okay. It means it might come with a very minimal design, I guess. As I can see in this screenshot, it's very Chromium-like and very minimal. And if it doesnn't have those side tabs, that's not my thing. I need side tabs. I don't know why I'm really fond of this. And the Gen browser is awesome. If you have heard about Gen, that's my favorite go-to browser, but I don't like that on Windows as much as I loved that on my Linux machine. Anyways, let's where we were. Yeah, respectful by design. It does not do anything without your consent. That's good. No unprovoked tabs about updates or sponsors. No persistent pop-ups telling you about features you do not care about. No weird restarts. Nice. Nothing interrupts you, jumps in your face, or breaks your flow. Everything just makes sense. You are in full control. Let's see how much we have control. Fast, efficient, and light. That's good. Helium is based on Chromium. I said na, Helium is based on browser. I really like Chromium based browser because they are kind of better at handling websites overall. I feel I have tried Gen, but I can notice the difference between the Chromium based browsers and those Firefox based browsers. Firefox engine is like, I feel it's a little bit laggy, slowish, and sometimes do weird things with website loading times. I don't know. I prefer Chromium over that, but I like Gen, but Gen is not Chromium based. That's another topic for another day. Let's come back to Helium. The fastest and the most optimized browser, yet they are making pretty big limps as of now. Okay. Helium builds on the base to improve performance and save even more energy. Okay. You will notice a difference after using Helium for a day. It does not slow down over time. Nice. All bloat is removed. Helium is one of the lightest modern browser available. Great. It's in split view, I guess. Yeah, split view. But why there are no side tabs? That will be no. It will not be my primary browser. Powerful when you need it. Open pages side by side. Build view. That's great. Even when more things at once. Quickly copy page links with this. What is this? Command, I guess. On Mac nothing. Okay, Commands FC. That's convenient. Okay, fine. Share your discoveries with Ace. Install any web apps. Oh, that's Chromium thing. Use them as your standalone desktop apps without duplicating Chromium. Yeah, I totally get that. Designed to get out of your way. Helium interface is compact and minimalist. I said it will be minimalistic, but it does not compromise on beauty or flexibility. Let's see. More web contents fits on the screen at once, and the browser interface does not get in your way. You can hide everything extra from the toolbar if it annoys you. That's good. This profile icon annoys me, and it is edge. I can't remove it. This extra little space annoys me. Can I do something about it? I guess no. This sidebar annoys me. Why can't I hide it as I can do in Gen browser? Anyways, while this tab is still open, close. Nice. Let's get back to it. Nothing jiggles or flickers abnormally. Your actions are not throttled or stopped by lag. Let's see. Everything fast, smooth, and simple. Comfort and simplicity are among top priorities. So means they are private, they are minimalistic, and they are Chromium based, and they are not working for profit. Open source thing. We'll explore this GitHub thing later. Works with all Chromium extensions privately. Okay. All Chromium extensions are supported and work against right away. By default, including all MV Manifest 2 extensions. Yeah, that's great. Like Manifest V2 is a must thing for me because with V3 there are very much restrictions like we saw recently with the uBlock Origin thing being taken down in V3, not supported. So they created uBlock Origin Lite for V3 manifestation. That's okay. Brave still support that, but Chromium doesn't. Like main Chrome browser doesn't. We will keep support for MV2 extension for as long as possible. Okay, let's see. Helium anonymizes all the internal requests to the Chromium web store via Helium services. Oh, good. Thanks to this, Google can't track your extension downloads or target ads using this data. No other browser does it. Beautiful. Means they are blocking the stats from Chromium web store so that Google can't track what extensions you download and suggest ads based upon that. Good. No other browser does that. Nice. Free and fully open source. I don't know. I'm in love with open source things as of now. All parts of the Helium browser are open source, including the online services. You can self-host Helium services and use your own instance in your browser. Beautiful. Everything is available on GitHub. Let's see. No exceptions. Nice. Always safe and sound. They have made a long list of claims. We release new Chromium updates such as security patches as soon as possible. Your browser will be safe and up to date. That's beautiful. On Windows, in-browser auto updates are available. On Windows, in-browser auto updates are not available yet. So they are not auto updating like Brave, Chromium and other browsers, but we will still become available in future. Free code signing is provided by signpath.io, certificate and signpath foundations. I don't know what are these, but that's okay. All builds are on GitHub and you can even make one by your okay. The choice is yours. Nice. Best security practices for everyone by default. Helium enforces HTTPS on all websites and warns you when your website doesn't support it. Passkeys just for there are no inbuilt password manager. That's a great thing. And if you are using Google password manager, I don't know what are you doing with your life. Just use a password manager that respects you. Password should be separate from web browser to be truly secure and immutable. That's a great point. I love this thing. There are also no cloud-based history and data sync. Another beautiful thing. You should be the only one with the access to your browsing data, not some conglomerate. I don't know what is this. Conglomerate, a large frame made up of several different companies. Browse the internet faster with banks. What is this banks? Skip the search engine and go directly to the website you want. Oh, so you can directly go to website without being search on the engine, like choose between the 10,000 banks. Banks is that thing like when I do this Y thing and space and like AROICE, so it will take directly to the YouTube search and that search thing, I guess, maybe, or it is something else. Like yeah, .gs for GitHub. If I need to search on LinkedIn once UI and it will directly search that on LinkedIn for me, but it's a search engine type of thing. I don't know if banks is the same or something different. Let's see. Want to chat with AI? Just add ChatGPT or other provider name and start with your query. It's the same thing. Helium will start a new chat for you without sending your prompts anywhere else. Great. Helium banks are the fastest and most private implementation of banks yet. They will work offline and directly with your browser. I have said the same thing in Recast. Recast has this link type of thing, like if I need to search ChatGPT for that, I need just C and space to put an argument like who am I, and it will just take me to the ChatGPT and search it right there like this. Okay, in short, someone who thinks a lot, builds a lot and doesn't like surface level. We were on this Helium, the web browser made for people with love. Great enough to perfect for developers. Helium is based on Chromium and doesn't break any web API standards despite the focus on privacy. Their tools have been cleaned up and no longer nag you with anything. There are nothing that gets in your way of creating the internet of the future. Great. Perfect for anyone. They are catering developers and they are catering everyone on on the go. Nice. Ready to try Helium? Yes, I'm ready to try Helium. It's never too late to get your internet life back on the right track. Helium can transfer your most important stuff from other browsers in one click. I won't do that, but let's see. We hope you will love it. Let's see. It's in alpha phase. Download Helium. I have a x64 close and Helium installer.exe and just boom, open. Here, where is the installer thing happened? It's right there like meet Helium, but I downloaded that installer thing now, so it directly installed on my system. Is it that like Helium? Yeah, it's downloaded as a application. It was pretty fast. I didn't expect it, so that's okay. Fine. This is their GitHub page. The Chromium based browser made for people with low best privacy by default, unbiased adblock, no bloat and no noise. I like the domain helium.computer. Awesome. They are available for all Linux, macOS and Windows. Alright, let's see what's in Helium. Meet Helium. Configure your browser just the way you want it or use a default preset with the best privacy and comfort. Okay, I don't want to use default. I need to configure it. Yeah, Helium services. Can we zoom it a bit? Yeah, we can. So let's zoom it. Helium services. Services are not active until you consent to using them. Changes will be applied after you go to the next page. Sure. Allow connecting to Helium services. Helium services provide additional functionality such as extensions, download, native bank filter update, browser updates. When disabled, none of these features will work, but Helium will not make any web requests. I guess you can keep this on. Proxy extension for download updates. Okay. Allow downloading the banks list. Sure. Allow downloading filter for why not? Go ahead. Allow automatic browser and component. Helium will automatically download and install browser and component update, and as they become available, we recommend keeping these settings enabled. Let me use it as my third prime like tertiary web browser. Keep it here. Let's go. This uBlock reason here. That's my first extension I install in every browser except Brave. It's by default. I would like to go with Google. Okay. I'm not much in love with DuckDuckGo. Okay, I haven't heard of that bank based in Europe. Uses Bing. No, I hate Bing. I hate it a lot. I hate Microsoft, perhaps on Windows just because of Premiere Pro. Please Adobe. I need Linux version of Premiere Pro. Next, take your stuff with you from Brave. Microsoft has Internet Explorer. Does that exist? Perplexity comment. No, I don't want to take stuff from any of these browsers with me. Next, ready to switch to Helium. Make Helium my default. Oh, this is a UI overlap. Now it's okay. Seems fine. Make Helium my default. No, just trying Helium for now. Yep. Next, ready to browse. The setup is complete. It's done now. Okay. Thank you for choosing Helium. Welcome. Time to enjoy the internet again. Let's go. What is this? Nothing? Add shortcut? Like, oh, feels like Chrome but bare bones. I can see here editing. Oh, theming options. Ping pong. Green tone. This one is okay. Follow device colors. Okay. Very minimal. Nothing's there. Customize Helium. It's the same thing. Alright. What are the extensions pre-installed? Just uBlock Origin? Oh, it's IDM. Let me toggle this on. Okay. Apart from that, let's explore what's in the set of this user thing, but there is no sign up thing. Google Chrome do. That's great. New tab, new window. It's same as Chrome. Like, is it same panel? Oh, yeah. Chromium 144. Sure. They are in still alpha phase. Let's explore the settings. What's in there? Profiles. Okay. It's just this. Nice. I don't want to import anything as of now. Appearance and behavior. Theme. Again, that customize panel. Toolbar. Oh, let me see. Just a second. Let's customize Helium again. I haven't thought it. I ignored it at the first glance. I can toggle even this off. Nice. Open and still view. It's let me toggle this home. This is so good. I can toggle bookmarks on here. Downloads. Yeah, bookmarks because I don't need to press then Control Shift B to open this. That takes extra space. If I click here, should I? Yeah, it's open in sidebar. That's so good. Let's customize it. What's the delete browsing data from right here? Awesome. Downloads there. And what more I can do with this incognito window? No, I don't need that. Print, create a podcast, copy link, task manager, developer tools. Okay, but I don't need that too. I can just press the shortcut key to get there. Alright, now let's get back to setting page. What's more here? So I can click my bookmarks from like here and that download history. It would be great if just it open in a like pop-up thing instead of opening this whole page, but that's fine too. And what's more here? Customize your toolbar. Yeah, that's the same thing we just load. Show home button we don't need. So bookmark bar. Now I just can press Control Shift B. If you don't know, you can press Control Shift B to open that bookmark bar. That's so convenient instead of just taking that space all the time. Great. Like side panel position shown right. Mark bar. Isn't there any tabs things? There is no tab thing. Left side tab. I need vertical tabs. Anyways, tab hover preview. You mean if I can Google something like this is very clean URL. Like in with supposed to like if I search here, like there is after my query, it is just I don't know what is this, but there is like a string of text. Oh my god, and then source ID, blah blah blah. It's so much cleaner than that. Yeah, very clean. See, it's that's it. That's it. Nice. Oh, that thing removed. That cookie or pop-up thing, what it is. I like that. I like that. Nice. Show tab memory users. Yeah, I can toggle this on. So if I will hover, so yeah, it will show me an image of that tab and memory uses like 278 MB. Isn't that too much for just LinkedIn tab? Okay. If I close this and compare, like it's just a setting page that is open right now. Let me compare with this. What in Edge? So let's open Task Manager, and where is Helium? Oh, Helium 500 megabytes. That's pretty good. And if I open Brave, with respect to Brave, what it is taking? It's more than Brave. Brave is like, just let's open a setting page here too and then compare them. Brave is taking 376 and Helium is taking 469. And Brave still have many processes in background, I guess. All tasks, you can see there are extension and other things, but Brave is still much lighter than this Helium thing. Alright, let's see what's next. I can change font size and customize fonts. Okay, let's now do so. Behavior. Open new tab next to the new tab. Okay, cycle through windows with control tab. Okay, control shift C to copy a link. See, if I press control shift C, it copied. That's great. And enable quick copy. Yes, automatically pin new tabs to the bookmark bar. Okay, that's allows filter by drag and drag to the next. Okay, if I search for something like Vents UI and just hover it like that, no, how can I make it spelled like so? New spelled with current tab. Okay, it's now in spelled. I can just make it so and so. Okay, and click this to separate views. Okay, click this, it will get inspelled again. Reverse views, nice, separate. Great. Next, privacy and security. Press privacy and security. This it is. That's it. Privacy and security. Delete browsing data. There is nothing. Site settings. Okay, it's very minimal. Secure connections. Wants you for insecure and public sites. Use secure DNS. Make it harder for people with access. Speeds up sites with Helium V8 engine, but makes Helium slightly less resistant to attacks. This setting is on. Now it comes to Helium services. Many is what Helium services allow. It's the same thing that we configured at the starting of this web browser. Get maximum memory saving. You tab become active after a shorter period of time. Preload pages. As do this thing a lot. Helium preload pages which makes browsing and faster. What is toggling that off? uBlock origin. It's nothing. It's just bare bone Chromium without that googly thing. Just what it is. I can use this as a. I can see that it's without any such bloat that Chromium. It's a Chromium but without a bloat from Google and ungoogled Chromium. I feel it's like so, but I can feel the minimalism from this. Life is long if you know how to use it. Sure. Add to Chrome. Let's go. Add to Helium. Add extension. Any second. And boom. Did you mean to change this page? I need to keep it. Welcome to Ashes. Choose how you would like to set up Ashes. Advanced setup. Simple setup. Just show time. I can integrate Ashes thing in this Helium video, but just let's show time for this. We will talk about Ashes thing later on someday. That's Helium. There is nothing more to talk about. It's very minimal and it's fine. It's fine though, it's looking good than that new tab thing. I like this. You can configure this here about developer. You can read it right here. Who made it? The life is yours and it's ending 1 minute at a time. I really love the Fight Club. And there is this another thing in Helium that I just forgot to mention.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of